Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Litecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question as we head into the weekend. And that question revolves around the fact that the bulls have made a very nice move. I mean, you can think about not that long ago, the price was actually down around here, and now the price is currently up there. Remember, crypto markets are open, 24/7. So this chart will continue to take shape, but I want to just focus on more so these bigger term levels so that, no matter if you're checking this on Saturday or Sunday, you can still gauge these levels and see where the price is relative to these current levels. And like I said, the big question right now all revolves around the fact that the bulls, like I said, have made a good move. Any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely have made some good, solid progress. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea. But like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around 155. And that revolves around the very basic rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support, especially in this case. Why so much in this case? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 155. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that big old range that it just broke above. And again, going back, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price does something like this and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, going into the weekend, I'm defining, quote unquote, making progress as 155. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward. It's all about 165, which over the past few hours, you can see that's where the bulls have struggled. You go back here through the history of the chart, and you can see right there, once again, the sellers are definitely making themselves known right up at 165. But any way you slice it, very nice movement the past couple of days, very nice bounce, and now it's just a question of can the bulls continue to build upon it? Let's see if the bulls can make progress or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.